guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chilleeee, and once again, this is Everything Life. Eric. Today, I come to you in a different form. I'm in my bathroom right now. It's morning time, and today we're just gonna be doing a wake up with me video routine, what I do in the makeup as far as my face when I wake up. So today I actually wanted to do an unboxing of what I bought excuse my face, of what I bought from Fenty Skin, Rihanna's new Fenty Skin line. So we're just gonna do that really fast. So when the package arrived, it came like this in a brown whatever, and then inside, I actually haven't opened this yet. Well, I have, but not really. I haven't used it. So today's gonna be the first time I'm using it. And then inside, you just have it comes in this box. Says Fenty Skin, and I just got one item honestly because I'm already using other products on my face currently, so I didn't want to like mix products, so I just decided to just get this one for now and try it. Gotta support my girl Riri. But yes, got the Fenty Skin. The packaging is really simple. Yeah, we'll take that. And then I'm gonna open it up. Can you guys guess what I got? Okay, so I actually got the moisturizer. It's the Invisible Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. So it's a sunscreen and a moisturizer, and that's what I got. And that's this little contraption right here. Yes, this is where because I think these bottles are refills, so you can do like refills on them. So, because you know this skincare line is all about saving the environment, using less. And this is, I believe this is the moisturizer itself. I'm thinking this goes in here, like that. And then we have this little thing. Yes, and then we have this little guy right here. And I'm guessing it goes like that. Okay, so I'm guessing it goes like this, right? That's simple. Now let's see if anything comes out. Yes, this is what she looks like. It's purple. And I will put that on my face once I'm done with washing and everything of that sort. Okay, so right now, what I've done so far to my face, I washed my face when I first came in the bathroom, washed my face using my Clear Complexion Cream Cleanser, and I put this all over my face, and then I worked it in using my brush. And the brush right here. And after that, I just washed my face with some warm water, pat it dry with a paper towel, and then I put on my mask. It's the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. This one right here by this lovely brand. And so I'm just gonna keep this on for about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna wash my face, and I'm gonna do the next step for you guys. Okay, so guys, this is my face after I take off my first mask. Yes, so now I'm going to be using my next mask that I put on, which is my Turmeric and Cranberry Seed Energizing Radiance Mask by the same brand. Looks like that. I love this mask. It smells really good. It just smells like earthy, and it's like, I don't know, like it's just so good. There's cranberry seeds inside of this. It looks used because I've been using it. I'm just gonna put this all over my face and be right back. Okay, so now we have it all the way on our face. This is gonna stay on my face for about 10 minutes. And the reason why I look like this is the reason why I have this on my head. I don't think I mentioned this because today's also wash day, so I'm washing my hair. Right now I have in my pre-wash or co-wash, and I'm using rice water and my pretty tresses, and I have that in my hair right now. I'm just letting that stay in for I think 15 minutes, and then I will jump in the shower. While I wait my 10 minutes, I'm just gonna brush my teeth and then come back in and take this off. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna now jump in the shower, take all of this off my face, and I will show you guys the next part of my morning routine. I'll be back in a few. Okay, so guys, back out of the shower. My hair is washed. I just have it wrapped up right now. I don't have any product or anything in there. And now I'm just going to finish this routine because it's getting late. And so the first thing I'm going to be using now that I'm out of the shower is first, I just want to say that when I was in the shower after I washed off my second mask, I used my Aveeno Clear Complexion Foaming Cleanser, and I washed my face with that, especially because I washed my hair, so like stuff from my hair might have like fallen on my face. So I just used this to wash my face again after taking off the mask. I used my brush to work this into my skin, and then I washed it off, and now I'm just going to be using my ordinary toner, and I've been using this toner for a while now, as you can see. Okay, so I'm going to be using my toner, and I'm going to be using this cotton pad right here in my ordinary toner that I've had for a while now. And I'm just going to pat my face. I don't have like the best skin, but I've been trying to like work on my skin as of probably like a month or two ago. I really taken this seriously. I went out, bought some pretty pricey products that are supposed to work for my skin, and so far I've been doing a pretty good job. So yeah, let's go and use that right now. Ugh. Taste it a little bit. Before I go any further, I'm going to actually moisturize my lips using my Blistex. Kissable. Just kidding. Okay, so face chapstick is on. So now I'm going to be using my moisturizer, my Rose Deep Hydration face cream to just moisturize my face. I don't know why it's so blurry, but that's what it looks like. Just just a little bit. Okay, and now I'm going to be using my Fenty Skin, and that's the purpose of this whole video. Just to use this to see how we like it. Before I was using this sunscreen right here. It's almost out, but it's really good. I've had it for a while now for it being so small, because it literally only takes a little bit to go a long way. So I've been using that for a while, but now I'm going to be trying my new Fenty Skin moisturizer slash sunscreen. I just realized I didn't even have to use a moisturizer, because this is also a moisturizer. Rihanna knew what she was doing. So now I'm just going to be using this double moisturizer, I guess. Is that bad? But yes, now for the test. I have it right here. I think you just go like that. That definitely is a moisturizer, because duh. It smells really good. It smells like lavender, but it's not like too strong. Like, it's bearable. I'm gonna break that into my face. Crazy, because it's super hot in this bathroom. So now we have that on. I really like it. It wasn't like, I don't know how to describe it, but it wasn't thick. Is that the word? Like, it wasn't like too much product. Like, it was just enough. Like, it was a good layer. I think a little bit goes a long way as well for this. I like the subtle smell, the subtle scent that it has. Overpowering. It's not like, you know, when you get those products that just like have like that perfumey type smell. It's not like that. I really like this packaging. It's really nice, it's sleek, and it's refillable, so you can always get this refilled. This part comes off like that. You just take it out. Ooh. Ooh. Did you see that? Wow, that's amazing. You get the point. It comes out, and then you can just, I guess you just buy the refillable bottles, and then you just replace it, stock up on it if you don't want to miss out. I don't know if it's gonna sell out fast or anything like that, but it's nice. I like it. I could use this every day. But I think first, just because I don't like to waste products and I don't like to waste my money, I'm just gonna finish this up first and continue using my other sunscreen, and then move on to my 2-in-1. Started raining. So after that, my morning is pretty fast. I know this took a long time, like it seemed like it took a long time, but it's actually really fast. So after that, I'm just going to finish up my routine and say goodbye. Obviously, we can't ignore the big elephant that is this scar and this scar on my face. So for that, to treat those two spots, I've been using this Murad Invisiscar resurfacing treatment. and it's been working. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that onto these spots. And I do this obviously when I'm not going to be leaving my house, which I'm not today, especially because it just started raining. So I just put that. You're supposed to like work it in and stuff. I feel like I'm gonna do a review on this because this was pricey, but I don't know, we'll see. Next time I do my skin routine, you guys can tell me if the scars look any different. And then also for my dark spot as well. So now to just finish everything, I'm just going to spray my face using this, and we're done. Check out my last video to see how you can enter to win those cool prizes that I have in my Shein haul, my previous video. Just check that out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.